One of the most popular framework when it comes to large language model these days is LangChain. LangChain is a real cool framework which is designed to simplify and enhance the development of applications and systems that involve natural language processing or NLP and large language models. It provides a structured and efficient approach for working with LLMs like OpenAI's GPT-3 or Llama models, and there are a host of other models from AWS and Google too. There are a lot of things which LangChain can do, and in this video, we are going to touch upon few of those. LangChain can help you build flexible NLP or natural language processing pipelines using modular blocks. And that is one of the finest features of LangChain. LangChain also does chain-based processing. What it means is that it defines processing flows using chain-based structures. Then LangChain offers seamless integration with a lot of other tools and libraries, and the list is growing every day. LangChain is highly scalable and it helps and enables you to scale NLP workflows to handle large datasets and complex tasks. LangChain also has support for many models, as I mentioned earlier, from closed source like ChatGPT and also open source like Llama and various other. Plus, it also has support for a lot of cloud-based models such as Palm from Vertex AI in Google Cloud Platform and also the Titan models in AWS. LangChain also helps you visualize NLP pipeline results for better insights. It also enables you to track changes and manage NLP workflows very efficiently. And then LangChain also facilitates you in terms of collaboration as it enables collaborative NLP development and experimentation. The list of LangChain advantages go on, and I could go for another 1 hour, but in this video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what are the salient things LangChain can do. If you are doing some cool things with LangChain, please share it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.